fishing here. It's quite foggy today. Fishing is not too bad. These are fish I caught today. 3 sheephead, 2 black drum. The bag limit for both fish are 5 each day in Texas. For the black drum, minimum size 14-inch, maximum size 30-inch. For the sheephead, minimum size is 15-inch, and there's no upper limit. So these are all good. So I'm going to clean the fish, and then my wife is going to show how to cook the whole fish. For example, the sheephead.
Okay, I cut a jalapeno homegrown from yard. Now let's get some of the fresh black pepper leaf. Fresh off the black pepper, no, the green pepper. Okay, I picked one fresh lemon to cook fish. And chop the fresh leaf I just picked up from the yard, put them inside. And some chopped garlic, 4 cloves, and some gingers will grow in the yard. Next time I'll show you how does it look like. The plant is beautiful. And also I add some of chard we made another time. Three teaspoons of soy sauce. And the lemon with sour orange we just picked. Now add some of water. Now we're ready to cook. Let it steam for about 20 minutes. The juice will steam down concentrated, and then that's about it. After 20 minutes, here we go, fish is done. We garnish with some dew leaves we got from our yacht.